How to play Roblox on school Chromebook. So if you want to play Roblox on your school Chromebook, then what you need to do is simply go with the search. And under search, you need to search for roblox.com and it will take you to the sign up page, right? So you can simply go sign up to your account or log into your account and you'll be able to play Roblox on this website. But the second way is you need to search for educationbluesky.com. By opening this website, you can simply go with Roblox and you can directly contact Roblox and play Roblox. Here you can see that Roblox is currently not available in your region. So one drawback of this is it might not be available in each and every region. So if it's not available, then move on to the third one. You just need to simply pause the video and enter this link. After writing, press the enter. And once you press the enter, you will redirect it to the Roblox page. And after writing the link, just hit the enter. And once you hit the enter, you will be able to play the game. It will redirect you to the game. And that's it. That's how you can play Roblox on school Chromebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.